In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate security reports in Tenable in just a few simple steps. If you're wondering how to analyze your network security vulnerabilities and present your findings in a clear, actionable format, you're in the right place. Stick around to the end, because I'll also tell you about an exclusive offer to get Tenable for free and some bonuses to help you get started. Now, let's dive in. First thing you need to do is log into your Tenable account. Once you're in, navigate to the Scans tab on the top menu. This is where all your scan results will live. If you haven't run a scan yet, make sure to set one up based on your network's needs. Whether it's a full network scan or a specific device scan, this is where it all starts. Next thing, after your scan is complete, you'll want to head over to the Reports section. It's right next to the Scans tab. Once you click it, you'll see the option to create a new report. Here, you can select the specific scan results you want to include in your report. You can choose to include things like vulnerability details, asset information, and more, basically, anything that will help you communicate your findings effectively. The third thing is customizing the format of your report. Tenable allows you to choose between several report templates, such as executive summary, detailed findings, or even a simple PDF report. This flexibility is great because you can tailor the report to your audience. If you're presenting to a technical team, you'll probably want more detailed information, whereas for executives, a high-level summary works best. The fourth thing you should know is how to schedule and automate your reports. If you regularly need to generate reports on the same scans, Tenable allows you to set up automatic report generation. This means no more manual steps every time, you just set it and forget it. Now, let's talk about the different ways you can filter and sort your reports. After you've selected your scan results, you can filter them by vulnerability severity, asset group, or even by individual vulnerabilities. This helps to prioritize critical issues, ensuring that you focus on what's most important. Lastly, once you've generated the report, you can download it in various formats: PDF, CSV, or even HTML, depending on how you plan to share it. This makes it easy to distribute and present to the relevant stakeholders. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to generate security reports in Tenable. And before we finish, here's a quick reminder. If you're looking to use Tenable, you can get started with a completely free trial through the first link in the description. Not only that, but we've got exclusive bonuses to help you make the most of your trial. So, don't wait. Start securing your network with Tenable today and generate your first security report in no time.